Let's go to Jamaica. Wagwan people, it's another day, another Jamaica vlog. Today we are heading to good Jamaica. And I'm not gonna lie, today was one of the best travel days I've had in such a long time. Like, it was a good travel day today, so let's get right into it. So of course we got to the airport, did my check-in, dropped off my bags, all of that good stuff, and made sure I found my gate, because you know you got to make sure a gate exists before you do anything else. And of course I went to the bathroom to do a cute little fit check. Y'all look cute and comfy is the name of my game. Then I went over to Starbucks to get me a little snacky snack for the plane, and before you know it was time to board the plane. And luckily for me, I was the second person to board this plane. Okay, so I'm sitting down and I'm noticing why the plane looks so empty. Y'all, I swear there was nobody on this plane. I had the entire row to myself. There were so many empty seats, but I did not complain because I love when I have enough space for myself. I can just spread out and relax myself. So the flight was fantastic, and before you know it, it was time to touch down. And you know, said Jamaicans have to clap as we touch down. So yes, we are in Jamaica. And you guys, I am so excited. This is a very special Jamaica trip for me, and you guys will find out soon enough exactly why. But yes, we are here. So stay tuned for all of the Jamaica vlogs. Stay tuned for all of the Jamaica content, because I'm going to be spitting it out to you all the time. So if you're not following me, make sure you guys are following me to stay tuned. Okay, bye.